This is a quick video to help you plot out the freezing melting point curve in Lab Report 2 and to graphically determine the freezing/melting point of the phenyl salicylate. So we're going to construct our graph just like we did in Lab Report 1. We need an independent and a dependent variable. Now our independent variable in this is time in minutes. Now you're going to want to grade this like every 30 seconds. So each line will be every 30 seconds. You can space it out to every 2 blocks is every 30 seconds, something of that nature. The dependent variable will be temperatures in degrees Celsius. Now this needs to be linearly scaled between 0 and whatever the max temperature in your data is. Once you've got that, you're going to plot the data on your graph. Now your data is going to look something like this. This is your classic freezing or melting curve. What happens when something freezes or melts is the temperature is going to change, and then you're going to reach a point where the temperature doesn't change even though something's happening. And this point where you don't see an apparent temperature change for a period of time, this is when the material is actively changing phases from one state of matter into another. So we can plot this data out. Now it's a little hard to do in PowerPoint, but I would draw a smooth curve through this data so you kind of have an S-shaped curve. To get the actual freezing or melting point, what you're going to do is you're going to draw a horizontal line through the best fit of the horizontal part of the axis, the plateau of the axis, or sorry, data. So you get this line that goes through here. Where this line intersects the y-axis is your experimentally determined freezing or melting point that you'll report on your laboratory. I hope this helped to get the freezing and melting point curves down for you. Thank you and have fun.